Hey, are you stuck in your cleaning business, unsure how to grow or what steps to take next? You're not alone. Many cleaning business owners hit a wall, but the secret to breaking through is mentorship and training. Now, in this video, I'll share how coaching, mentorship, and proper training can take you from surviving to thriving. I'll also give you actionable steps to start your growth journey today. Hello, everyone. It's Karen Denton, your KSC Bidding Consultant. And today we're going to talk about something that can literally change the entire direction of your cleaning business: mentorship and training. If you ever felt stuck or overwhelmed, this video is for you. Now, why do we get stuck? We get stuck because we don't know how to price properly. We don't know how to find contracts or what paperwork is needed. You feel isolated, unsure if you're even doing it right. Now, that feeling of not knowing is the next move. That's the sign you need outside help. Now, what you say, what's the power of mentorship? Mentorship helps you skip costly mistakes. You get real world advice from someone who has already built what you're trying to build. And I'm going to tell you, that was a deal changer for me because in my city, and still in my city, there's no one to guide a cleaning business owner. So I still go out of state and I connect with people who are doing where I want to go. So you always got to find somebody who is smarter than you. And then when you have a mentor or coach, they keep you accountable so you can keep moving forward. If I would have if I wouldn't have did that, I would never have grown my business to where it is now without the people guiding me through the tough decisions. And then you need the training because you got to learn these systems and processes that free up your time. Now, I remember I used to hear build your systems. I remember being a GM for fast food and different other businesses. I knew what that meant, processes and systems. But when it came to the cleaning industry, I couldn't comprehend what's the system. Like even the cleaning procedures is a system. Like those terms, I could not match them with the cleaning business. So that's why you need training so you can learn the lingo, learn the tools and the systems and the processes that can help you free up your time so that you don't have to clean and get the templates, the pricing formulas, the contract checklists, walkthrough guidelines, and more. Training gives you the confidence to act, not just wonder if you're doing it right. When you know what you're doing, you show up differently in front of your clients. And then what should you do next? You should find you a mentor, someone who knows the cleaning business. It don't have to be me. Get somebody who, now, I want to say this, like different coaches and mentors specialize in specific things. Find what you're looking for, find out what you need to learn, and that should guide you to the correct mentor because you can get a mentor that's doing a dozen things, but is it what you need? So you got to find the right mentor, the right community, and the right programs for your cleaning business. And stay coachable and apply whatever you learn, apply it fast. Like you got to move with speed. So if you've been sitting here gnawing your head this whole time thinking, I need this, then don't wait. A mentor or a training program is the fastest way to get you to the next level. I offer a mentorship program for cleaning business owners like you. And there's a link in the description if you want to book a call with me. And if you want to find some kind of connection, there's a cleaning conference coming up in July. You got plenty of time to get your tickets. It's the Clean Biz Network 2025 conference, and you need to be in that room. So I'll see you guys at the conference, and like, comment, and subscribe so that you get more cleaning tips, more business tips to help grow your cleaning business. This is Karen Denton. I'll talk to you on the next video.